April 20th was a great day to go rail fanning. It was super nice and about 70 degrees here at about 7:45. Now, I had been waiting in Elkhorn for about 4 hours before finally a train arrived. A green signal came on track 1, and here came an intermodal mixed freight. Leading it was ES44AC 8102, AC44CW CTE 5618, and original ES44AC 5444. Now, I was on my way home from my house in Valley, and I noticed that there was a double green on track 1 and 2 for a train headed northwest. I looked over to film a train, and I knew it was coming, and it was a passenger train, led by ES44AC 7756. Not sure where it was going, but very cool catch. After that mixed freight, I thought it was about time to go home as it was getting dark and had about a 4-mile ride to get back home. But I noticed there was a red facing me. I thought it was just a fake signal and it just randomly turned on, but it revealed on the other side that there was a green. Now this was a ballast train, and I rarely ever see those, so I decided I had to see this one, and it was led by a locomotive that I've never seen leading, and I've never heard the horn of one. This was a SD70AH T4 3088, an original ES44AC 5481. Now, I also decided to chase this train down to the crossing, and it was pretty hard. I had to bike at about 20 miles an hour, but I had to hear that K5LA. It was a great horn, and I don't really ever get to hear those, so I decided I had to hear it again after this very nice horn salute from the engineer. Now, strange enough, there's a new engine in this Tier 4 SD70AH locomotive, and boy does it sound more like a GE. Love to hear these locomotives throttled up. you may think, why would a train like this that had a green signal be going so slow? Now, I finally realized when I looked up and at the signal up on track 2 about a quarter mile from where this train was stopping, it hadn't turned on yet. And these are ABS signals, or automatic block signals, which means the signals turn on when a train gets in the block, or the area of which they control. Now, these signals usually turn on when the train gets about 4 miles in the radius. Now, why wasn't it on? There was some sort of malfunction, I'm not sure, but he contacted someone before the train finally moved along into the beautiful sunset. Now, this is about going to do this for this video. Thanks so much for watching. For Milepost 20 in Elkhorn, Nebraska, this is Union Pacific Omaha. Out.